Hello, Papa ki pari. Listen to me. I am not very educated boy. My education only 7th class. I can. Your education PhD. The time is going. Not matter your education. Matter only your hard work. I hope you understand.